Oh! Ah! Ah! What is that? Thank you, Chef Daddy Go! For what? My cat! What? Ah! Hi, kitty! Let's turn you on. That is just so cute! What else can you do, kitty? Love you. Oh, your tail moves. Yeah? Yeah? Good. Carl, what is that? Please turn it off. I'm trying to get to bed. What did I do? Why did I? Yeah, it's my fault. I did want this room. Deal with it, Chef. Deal with it. It's really annoying. I'm gonna call you Fluffy. Yeah, your name is Fluffy. Hey, Fluffy. Yeah, all he does is just sits there. Please, Carl, turn it off. Hey, Fluffy. So Chef Daddy is getting mad, but I'm gonna have to turn you off. Anyways, it's time to get to bed. Yeah. I love you. Ah. Finally, he's done. Okay, now time to turn off all the lights. Now time for a good night's sleep. What is that? Carl! Carl turned it off! Hardy! Ah! Hardy with the cat! Ah! Hardy! Carl, stop! Hardy! Party Hardy! Party Hardy! That's it, Carl! Carl, stop it! Okay, Carl?